Hi everyone. Next problem. Decode each of the following received words corresponding to the encoding function. Here what they given, originally they given from B3 to B6. They given transport password. So from the first two problem we know how to find out the extra parity codes, right? The same concept we are going to do, find the values exactly. So this is the totally different, not like previous question. From B3 to B6 they created the password. Okay, now what is the question? Assuming no error or single error occurred. So they given how many different password? 1 2 3 4 5. They given 5 password. You have to select which one is matching for this exact password, which means which one is original message. Like that we are going to find out. So assuming no error also okay, or single error. Single error means what? One error is also okay. First we'll check this one. 0 11 410, where it matches exactly 0 410. So where it is exactly? So this one, right? This is the value. So 011. So the original message for this code word is 011. So how to write the answer? The word 0411 410 is identical with the original code E011. Hence no error has occurred, because no error, one error accepted or no error is also accepted for the original message. Therefore the original message is this one, 011. Actually they given parity check code, which means extra password, extra parity digits, but we are going to identifying which is the original message. That's what this problem. Okay, next word paranga. Next word, we'll check the next word. 110 111. So this one where it matches exactly this one, right? But the thing is here zeros you have, but here we have the second digit is 1. So only single error. So the question itself they mention no error or single error is acceptable. Single error means instead of 1 here we have 0. That's it. Okay. The word 11011 differs from E100 in the second position only, second digit only, corresponding to the single error transmitted word is, because it is only one error, that's what you are writing, it is single error, therefore the original message is E100. So similarly we have to identify other two passwords. So this is the format of doing this problem. So next we'll do the next problem. See, I have given the another problem. What is this problem? Let G is equal to, G means it's generated matrix given corresponding to the encoding function E of B3 to B6, which means they created password from B3 to B6. Find the parity check matrix, use decoding the following received word. So they given actually encoded message. You have to decode and finding the original message. Encoded means they'll put some extra password, right? Some extra digit. So you have to remove that extra digit, need to find out the original message. This concept is like for net banking, what we'll do, we will type our password like 4 digit and 4 or 5 digit, it's based on our password, and once you go for processing it will put some extra digit, right? Star star like that. So the thing is, that is your encoded message. Finally after decoding they'll get your original password. That's what this is the concept. So they given the parity check code. You have to find out original message. For that original message they given generator matrix as well as how it transport from B3 to B6 transpose, right? Now we'll do the problem. So how many password we need to find out? 4 things. We'll do one by one. First one, from the generator matrix you have to identify which is A matrix, which is identity matrix. You know it is. So this is identity matrix, this is A matrix. You have to write A matrix transpose, right? That's what it is called, generator matrix. So after that H into R transpose. R transpose means what? The first code word. First code word. First code word. This is your first code word, 110101. So for this code word, we need to find out what is the original message. Before that, you have to write A transpose. First, you have to find out what is A from the question. The A value is this one, right? Till this is identity matrix. After this, this is A. What is A? 110011 101. This is A matrix. From this A matrix, how to find this value? Find A transpose. A transpose means just converting rows into columns and columns into rows. This first row converted by first column 110, second row is converted by second column, and third row is converted by third column. Now you got the formula for finding original message from the generator matrix. You have to find out A transpose into I3. I3 means what? Unit matrix, 3 cross 3 identity matrix. Now we'll do one by one. First we'll check the first one. First one, what they given? 110, 101. This is what they given. The formula is H into R transpose, which means the parity check transpose. Encoded word transpose. Now find transpose. It is one single row converted in one single column. Then you have to do matrix multiplication, just ordinary matrix multiplication. Actually here you have 3 rows, so automatically you will get 3 columns. So one by one we'll check. So first one, 1 into 1, answer is 1. Next one, 0 into 1, 0. Next to 1 into 0, 0. Next to 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1. Next to 0 into 1, 0 into 0, 0. Next to 0 into 1, it is 0. So you are getting 2 is the answer. It is already, I told you, it is modulo 2. Modulo 2 means below 2 only accepted. Once you are receiving 2 and above, you have to subtract with 2 how many times you want. So here 2 is 1 time. So 2 minus 2, answer is 0. First one is 0. Similarly, you have to do the matrix multiplication. Second row into second column, third row into third column. So everything is 0. That's what, no exchange of answer. The answer is all the values are 0. You have to do transpose again. This transpose is 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, all 0. The received verse is transmitted word itself. The original message is the first 3 digit. From the question, the original message is first 3 digit. Why are taking first 3 digit? Because they are asking from B3 to B6. That's what B3 is. First 3 digit is the original password. Why are taking first 3 digit is original password? Because once you multiply matrix multiplication, you are getting all 0. That's what, no change. You take as it is. Now we'll do the next. So what is the next code? 0041, right? The next code is second option. The second option 0041. Now we'll do the same concept, that is 0041. So it is transpose. Take a transpose of this. It is row. You have to convert in column, and you have to do matrix multiplication as well as, once you are doing matrix multiplication, you will get 0, 1, 0. Transpose of this is this one. You have to do transpose. Now you have to check where it matches exactly, where this column identical with in this matrix, H into R transpose matrix. So the thing is, it is matches with fifth column. So fifth column means here in this R transpose, the fifth position you have to change, because the matrix is identical with where? Fifth column. That's what, change the fifth position. If it is 1, change to 0. If it is 0, change to 1. That's what concept. After changing the answer, anyway it's not going to affect our password, because we are going to take first 3 digit only. But if this column is identical with second row and third row, second column and third column, our answer will change. That you know, right? So similarly, we are going to take, therefore the original answer is first 3 digit. Also you have to mention this 1 is changed to 0. That also you have to mention in your answer. So next, third one. So similarly do the matrix multiplication. Again this is match with the fourth column. Fourth value exchange 0 by 1 and 1 by 0. And anyway the original password is first 3 digit. If it is matches with second and third, first, our password will change. Otherwise the first 3 digit is your password. Next, fourth one, once you do matrix multiplication, you are getting all 1, which is not identical to any of the matrix column. That's what, since the syndrome is not identical with any column of H, the received word cannot be decoded. It is not possible to decode uniquely. Okay, thank you.